Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to remove and replace the taillights. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so in my case I'm replacing it because I will be selling this minivan and the taillight is cracked right here and I cannot sell it that way. Okay, now the first thing you want to do, you want to remove two 10mm bolts. One will be here and one will be just down here. Okay, now once you have removed these two bolts, the taillight will be kind of loose, but still being held by one or two pins here on the side of the taillight. So one very important thing, never pull the taillight to the side, because you will break those pins and then you will have a problem installing the taillight back in. You always want to pull it straight towards yourself. If you cannot just pull it, there's a couple of things you can try doing. You can use like a plastic trim removal tool and try to pry this taillight here, right? Like I just did. In my case it was quite easy to do, but sometimes if these taillights were not removed for a long time, it will still be stuck and you will have problems. In that case, what you can use a bit of duct tape and then pull straight on the duct tape. I will show you now that as well. Okay, so this is the idea, see? And then you can grab it onto the duct tape and pull it straight out, right? That's one tip what you can try doing without damaging or breaking the taillight. Okay, now once you have the taillight out, all you have to do, disconnect one electrical connector. This is the one right here. So to make your life easier, you can maybe push it out from this plastic holder and then you will see the connector on the other side, because if you don't remove it you will have a hard time disconnecting it. Okay, once that is done, you will have lots of access to the other side. So first thing you want to do, just want to slide this red safety clip to the right. So just use a flat screwdriver or something and push it out, right? And once that is done, you have this black tab right here. You want to press it and disconnect this connector. Okay, and that's it. Now on these vehicles, on these taillights, you have only one light bulb to replace. It's down here, it's reverse light bulb. So you just want to turn this socket counterclockwise and pull it out, right? And everything else, this is LED taillights, so I will show you here, there is no light bulbs or anything, right? Only wires and motherboards and stuff like that inside. So yeah, only one bulb, and this is the reverse light bulb. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.